All right. It cut me off in the last video, so I'll finish up in this one with talking about the timeline. So going back to our big picture goals, week 8, we know we have to turn in the annotated bibliography. So what I'm going to focus on here is the annotated bibliography. So Monday, I'll find 2 sources that I can use. Tuesday, I'll find 2 sources I can use. Wednesday, I'll find 2 sources that I can use. Thursday and Friday, I'll find 2 sources that I can use. That means that I'm not having to look for long periods of time. I can divide up how many sources I need and look for those sources just a day at a time. Saturday, I'll annotate those sources that I need to be annotated. And then on Sunday, I'll complete the bibliography. I'll put it all in one Word doc, make sure it looks the way it's supposed to look, and I'll turn it in. So for week 9, I'll focus on the 4 pages of the essay draft. So on Monday, I'll write 1 page. On Tuesday, I'll go back in and insert my relevant research that I found. Wednesday, I'll write 1 page. Thursday, I'll go back to that same page and I'll insert the relevant research and I'll turn in my 2 pages. Then on Friday, I'll write 1 page. Saturday, I'll write 1 page. And then Sunday, I'll insert relevant research into both of those pages and turn those 2 pages in. And then week 10 is very similar to that. The only different thing I would do is I wouldn't do anything different. Sunday, I would just make sure that it's compiled. I'd put it in a tentative order and organization, and I'll turn that in. So I hope that this helps. I hope this helps you think about what your research proposal should look like. I hope specifically that the timeline and me going through how I would do it helps you sort of visualize how you think you need to do your timeline for it to be most helpful to you. And I hope that you're finding this to be engaging, you're finding this to be interesting, and that you're having plenty of resources to feel like you know what you're doing, and also plenty of space to actually put those resources into action. So as I always say, I do mean it. If you have any questions, if you need any further clarification, please reach out to me. I am more than happy to chat with you about maybe what needs to be clarified, what maybe I need to speak more on. I'd be more than happy to talk with you about those things. Do know that it takes me about 24 hours to get back with you. So try and think about all these things up front so that by the weekend you know exactly what you need to do and you can get it done in a timely manner. Okay, thanks for listening. Thank you for your time and your effort, and I'll see you guys in the modules.